Hi everyone, it's Miss Dawn from Crystal Lake Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY reverse art. To complete this craft, all you need is some blank white paper, a pencil, and some crayons. You can use oil pastels, and they probably will work better than crayons, but not a lot of people have oil pastels, including me, so I'm just going to use crayons. The first thing you're going to do is take one piece of paper, and then you are going to color in the entire piece of paper with your crayons. You're going to want to press pretty hard with your crayons, and it's better to use the darker colors. So we finished coloring in our paper, and now it is time to actually make the reverse art. We are going to take a piece of blank white paper and set it over the top. And then whatever we draw on this paper with our pencil, it'll end up on the reverse side in color. But because we're doing reverse art, remember that if you're going to be writing anything, you're going to have to make your letters backwards for them to appear forwards when we turn the paper over when we reverse it. I'm all finished drawing with my pencil, so now it is time to reveal our reverse art. So you just take this and turn it upside down, and there we go. So whatever I drew on the one side, it picked up from my colored paper beneath, and if you can see, I wrote the word read. And one of the cool things about this is you can continue reusing your crayoned piece of paper. So I've also used it to draw an aquarium scene with some fish, as well as a space scene with some stars and a rocket ship and planets. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun doing DIY reverse art with me.